Overthinking is the biggest cause of unhappiness. It took me 9 years to beat overthinking. There are the 8 ways you can beat overthinking. The problem is rarely the problem. 99% of the harm is caused in your head by you and your thoughts. 1% of the harm is caused by the reality, what actually happens and the outcome. Most of the time, the problem isn't the problem. The way you think about the problem is. Avoid self-rejection. Don't think you deserve that opportunity. Apply for it anyway. Don't think your article is good enough. Publish it anyway. Don't think they'll reply to your email. Send it anyway. Never overthink yourself into self-rejection. Silence and time. The truth is the most problems aren't solved with the more thinking. You'll find most of the answers you're looking for in silence, in a time, and with a clear mind. If you can solve a problem, stop trying to. An important question. When you start criticizing yourself for past mistakes or seizing disaster around every corner, ask yourself, is there anything I can do right now to change the past or positively influence the future? If the answer is yes, do it, take action. If the answer is no, be at peace, let it go. The power of now. You're not going to overthink your way to a better future. You're not going to overthink your way to a better past. All you have is now, and what you can do with now can make right of future, right of your past, and make good of your future. Make peace with yesterday, let go of tomorrow, and grab hold of now. Fact check your own thoughts. Your thoughts will create scenarios in your mind that reflect your insecurities, fears, and worries. So it's important to always fact check your own thoughts before accepting them, because in highly emotional situation your thoughts will tell you stories that aren't true. Fact check yourself.
After when you have fact checked yourself, acceptance and peace. No amount of anxiety will change your future, and no amount of anxiety will change your past. Peace is found in acceptance. Accept imperfection, accept uncertainty, accept uncontrollable. You don't have to understand, tolerate, or even forget something, but if you want peace, you must accept it. Health starts in your mind. You can go to the gym, eat healthy, do yoga, drink water, and take vitamins. But if you don't directly confront the negativity in your thoughts, you will never truly be healthy. Our health isn't measured on scale by the size of our muscles, by the width of the waist. True health is measured by the quality of thoughts and peacefulness of our minds.
Like, subscribe, share, follow, and comment. And don't forget to bell icon. Nobody cares.